how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Now let's get started right away. So this is going to be a really easy and quick video, and you don't have to do anything for it. All you have to have is the newest message update on Instagram, where you can change the colors of your messages. You can react to it with emojis like that, and you can also change the theme, for example. Now, to reply to a message, all you have to do is either swipe a message to the right, like this, and you can just type something, and you can see that I have replied to that message. Or what you can do is long hold on that message and then click on reply at the bottom left corner. And then you can also type in something like that. So you can also reply to your own messages, and instead of swiping to the right, you have to swipe to the left, and then you can also reply to one of your own messages. So that's basically it. If this quick video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.